So in this theorem, it is given that Fn is pointwise bounded for every x belongs to E, whereas E is countable. So Fn is a sequence of function which is pointwise bounded on set E, whereas set E is countable. So therefore, we can show that Fn has a subsequence Fnk such that Fnk convergence for every x belongs to E, such that Fnkx convergence for x belongs to E. So let's start. So as E is countable, easily we can say that E is x1, x2, x3 and so on. Now since Fn is pointwise bounded on set E, that's when we can say that Fn x1 is also pointwise bounded sequence of real number or complex number. Okay, so that's mean we can say that there is this sequence has a convergent subsequence. By Waldenov-Astron, this sequence has convergent subsequence, and we name it 1, k. Okay, we name it 1, k x1. Clear? This sequence has a convergent subsequence, and we name it 1, k x1. Now this sequence is convergent. Okay, and this is the values for x1. Now if we try to choose the values for this function at the point x2, if we trying to find the values for this function for the point x2, so we can see that this values also suppose f1 comma k x2, this is also a sequence of bounded function. So again we can say that this sequence has subsequence which is convergent, and we name it f2k x2. Okay, and suppose now we are going to define the sequence of functions. Suppose s1 is equals to f1k. Okay, such that f1 comma 1, f1 comma 2, f1 comma 3 and so on. Okay, and there is subsequence h2 f2 comma k. ठीक है, such that f2 comma 1, f2 comma 2, f2 comma 3 and so on. And by similar process we can say that there is another subsequence is 3. Okay, f3k, f3 comma 1, f3 comma 2 and f3 comma 3 and so on. By doing this process, finally we can say that we have a sequence f1 comma 1, f1 comma 2, f1 comma 3, sorry, f1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. If we take all the diagonals f1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, f4 comma 4, this sequence is convergent for every x belongs to E. This sequence is convergent for every x belongs to E. So therefore, now we have a subsequence which is convergent for every x belongs to E. Clear? Okay, thank you.